Have you been looking for a cheap way to buy 9 mobile data for your mobile phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can buy cheap 9 mobile data for your mobile phone and it lasts for 30 days. And guess what? It's just 182 naira. So follow me to my screen and I'll show you the platform that I use to buy this amazing data. So guys, I'm on my screen and the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android application that allows us to buy this mobile data for cheap on our mobile phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store and then we're going to search for the application called Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here's it. I've already searched for it before and I'm going to click on this face, Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here is the application and I'm going to click on it. So if you have not installed yours, you are going to see an install button over here, but I have installed mine. So I'm going to click on open. So I've opened the application and a notification is going to pop up. If you have read the notification and you understand it, you just need to click on the understood button over here. And right now I'm going to click on the open button. Okay, so we are on our login page on the Recharge app platform, and if you have an account on the Recharge app, all you just need to do is provide your email and then your password and you'll be able to log in. But for those who does not have an account, you need to click on register now. Click on register now and then a page will pop up, and then what you need to do is to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and then create an account for this application. If you have someone who referred you, you can provide the referral code over here and then you click on register. So I already have my account, so I'm just going to register immediately. So right now we are on the Recharge app dashboard, and if you are new to this platform, I recommend that you go through the application and check out the features and everything. And if there are things that you don't understand, you can check our blog and guide page. And to do that, you just need to click on the hamburger menu over here, these three lines. And once you click on it, a menu will pop up. Then you navigate to the bottom and then you see the our blog and guide page. You can also find the FAQ page over here, but the our blog and guide page is already filled with content and articles that will help you to understand the application if you have any issues. So for now, we're just going to focus on how we can buy 9 mobile data on your phone. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have funds on your account. Make sure you have funds on your account. And if you don't have funds on your account, you can simply click on Fund Wallet over here. Once you click on it, a page will open where it will show you your automatic funding account, where you get your personal account number that you can deposit funds into this wallet. So once you deposit funds into this account, it will automatically reflect on your wallet. That's how it works. So you can go to your mobile account, like your mobile bank, and then send money to this account and it will reflect on your wallet. So after you have funded your account, you need to navigate to the our service option over here, and then you click on this mobile data and then click on buy now, and a page will open up where you will see choose service over here. I'm going to click on this choose service and the service options will pop up. You can check out your network or if you are not using 9 mobile, but for now I'm going to buy data for 9 mobile. I'll choose my plan, and right here you can see that 1 gig 9 mobile data is 182 naira. I'm going to select 1 gig and I'll select my phone number. So I don't use 9 mobile phone number, but I'm going to use a friend's phone number for this tutorial. So I'm going to input that phone number over here. So once I've inputted the phone number, I will input my transaction pin which I created. when I created this account. And then I'll click on buy now over here. And then they'll ask me, are you sure you want to buy 9 mobile CG data for this phone number? I'll click on OK. And then a pop-up that will show me my transaction was successful is going to show here. I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see, the transaction was delivered successfully to the mobile phone number. So if this video was helpful to you and you got value from this video, just simply click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get valuable videos such as this every week. And I'll see you in my next video.